We just took in this 2019 Rockwood Signature Ultralight Series 8288 WSA, and guess what? It weighs less than 10,000 pounds. This is a triple slide fifth wheel. It's a double axle. It's got an outdoor entertainment area, nice big old awning, and it's a very well-built coach. I'm excited to show it to you guys. So let's actually start right up front. We got your propane tank. Of course, you got one on the other side too. Nice full pass-through storage. You can see it does dip a little bit in there to the left. And then we got the exhaust for the furnace. Of course, your nice solid steps. Your awning does go over the slide, so it kind of acts as the topper, and it does have an LED strip. Sorry about the sound. Area to put a grill if you want, or just anything else. Like I said, outdoor entertainment under here and some storage. Oh, shut that for now. See if we can figure out how old these tires are. All right, what does that say? 49, gosh, I can't see it, 17. So they are original tires. So they're coming up on 6 years old. All right, here in the corner here, we do have some landing gear. Push button, as you can see, comes down with that. Couple outlets. Potable water right there. Nice frameless style windows throughout this whole dang thing. It does have a little area for a spare tire. Now before we go over to the driver's side, let's get up on that roof. This Rockwood is a single AC. Does have a couple fantastic fans, I think 3 of them to be exact. And there's the top of that awning, looks really good, and so does the roof. I don't see any issues up here. All right, back down to solid ground. 50 amp power service, even though it is only a single AC. You can get a second AC mounted right here in the bedroom. This slide out's gonna be in the galley, and then we got an opposing slide also in the galley. Then that slide right there is for your closet. I can't remember if it was a 6 or a 10-gallon water heater. It is a 6. Oh boy. I'll be right back. These newer water heater pull tabs are so hard to do with one finger or one hand. Black tank flush, or tank flush I should say. Looks like antifreeze inlet if you want to winterize it. City water connections, outdoor shower. Other side of that, nice big pass-through storage. And then, like I said, the other side did have one more propane tank. Give you a quick peek. Oh, before we check that out, let me show you the weights. 93 or 9930 GVWR, cargo carrying 1183. Then we do have landing gear control up here, docking lights on, ZAMP solar connection if you want some exterior solar panels, and then a little bit of storage. It does also have a battery disconnect. All right, try not to hit my head on any of these dang slides again. All right, so that is about what we got for the outside. Now let's jump inside. Now before we go inside, I love these steps. So check these out. They're called a step above, and all you do with these guys, they have adjustable legs, but it like just goes right in, just like that. Super simple. If you want to pull them out, you just pull it down. It is strut assisted, so it's very easy to go up and down. But there you go. So jump inside. Finally. So dang hot outside. So what you see right when we walk in, like I said, opposing slides. Got your kitchen slide right here. Nice big rear picture window. And then your other slide right here for the recliners and the dinette. And finally, last slide's up there in the bedroom. So let's start up front. Right when we walk in to the right, got a little bit of coat storage. Other random storage. Same up here. Left and right is the same. And then even more right here. Breaker box down below. Now check this out. Max force kind of control. All your light controls in here. Ooh, so dark. Wi-Fi range extender. So this thing came standard with this, which is cool from Rockwood. If you have Wi-Fi in your coach, boom. It it's one of those that does cost a little bit extra money. So if you just have cell service, you could go that route, maybe save a little bit of money. But they also got this awesome RV Technologies control panel for Rockwood. You do have to turn it on, but then all these panel lights, you got step light, aisle light, you see that going on and off, porch light, entry light, so you get a little dark, awning light, slide controls, awning controls. There is only one awning, not two. So very cool, I love that little panel. Now next up, your kitchen. Kitchen is fully on a slide, follow the corners all the way down, follow my finger camera. Then we got standard little microwave, fan and light, 3-burner stovetop. It's a Suburban, it looks like, with your oven. Now solid surface countertops throughout, real backsplash, which is nice. Extra storage all over the dang place. I think it's an 8 cubic foot Dometic fridge. I could be wrong. It is a 3-way though. Flip her around. Got some storage in the island. And it's pretty much the same on the left side. And then up top, of course, your frosted stainless steel has an extension. These nice, big, heavy, solid surface covers. One there and one there. Beautiful sink. Try to put that back without snapping any of my fingers. All right, so let's wrap around, go check out the fireplace. Can't have it emit heat or just be on for the ambiance. See some connections right there. Another RV Technologies multimedia device, sound bar. What is that, a 40-inch TV roughly? Area to store your remotes or just regular storage. All these kind of glass panel cabinet doors too. All right, so your rear couch, your rear lounge area. It's a trifold, if you could see. So you just flip it around, drop some legs out, and lay it flat. Turns into pretty much a queen sleeping area. MCD shades throughout. You got your daytime shades right here, or nothing, and then your blackout shades right there. Even on the big windows that you see all the way around this coach. So we also got some storage up top, and that will go all the way over to the right. First fantastic fan in the coach right above us in this main area. Oh, we also have a ceiling fan, of course, if you didn't see that prior. Now the brochure says that these are lazy day recliners and they're matched, the furnishings are matched for the coach, but feeling them, I don't think they're lazy boys. I mean, they're pretty comfortable, don't get me wrong, but I'm just not a big fan of that material. I don't think it's a lazy boy material. I could be wrong though. If you know the answer, let me know down in the comments below. And as usual, a little bit of overhead storage. And then we got the same exact stuff right over the dinette. The dinette will turn into a sleeper. This table is completely removable. Pull it out, move it over into the left area, whatever you want to do. Nice big deep kind of cabinet storage is under the dinette, both sides. And before we forget, let's check out some printouts. We're selling this for 35 grand. There's kind of some of your basic info. I tried to highlight as many of the options as I could. But what's a little unique about this 8288 WSA is it doesn't show up in the brochure floor plan, which is right here. None of those are the exact model. Our aisle right here is, aisle's on the left side, not bathroom. So all of those have the bathroom in the same location. Double check. All right, that's the galley. Let's head up into the bathroom. So 1, 2, 3 steps going up. That little magnet piece right here is for this front door. You can see that little piece down below. But before we get there, let's look at the bathroom. Corner toilet, porcelain. Corner shower, great amount of space. It's a nice looking shower. And then we do have behind the door, kind of hidden, is a whole bunch of storage in here too. And some more down below. Fantastic fan number 2 right in here. Medicine cabinet. Don't worry about seeing my face, it's super sweaty. And then nice big single sink and some more storage under that. Oh, that's very unique. You can access. So I got the compartment door open. You can use this as a laundry chute. You can throw your clothes in there into a basket and then just easily take them out from outside. Oh, that is so damn cool. We do also have a little pocket door in here too for the bathroom to give you some separation, but it's one of those walk-through bathrooms. And then finally, your bedroom. There's that closet slide. Here's your queen bed. This queen bed does have some storage under it. Find the handle. There you go, and look at all those covers. Oh, and a little piece of rubber. Similar concept, you guys know how it is up top. All kind of connected. We do have a TV right here, a Philips small guy, 24 inch on a mount. Your local TV antenna right there, ducted AC in the bedroom too. No fantastic fan in here. You got 2 in the galley, 1 in the bathroom, none in the bedroom. Oh, wait a second. Oh yeah, we got soft closed doors in here too. If the bedding doesn't get in the way. Charge centers, outlets, a couple lights. Similar on the other side, except you don't have drawers, you just got 1 cabinet. And then finally, little left side kind of drawer storage here. And then smaller, but still a little wardrobe. Now you can see you got the hangers there. There is no light in here. That kind of bugs me. I figured there would be, but there is not. So there you go, that's the bedroom. Go right back out this door. And we have the galley again. Check that. Very cool. So I will put all my contact info on the screen right now, and it'll be down in the description box. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know how I can help. But next up, let me get some of these slides in really quick so we can see what it looks like all closed up in travel mode. And here we are, all closed up. Should look quite different. So opposing slides, everything is in. Nothing in the kitchen is really accessible except maybe the microwave and the sink. This side of the dinette is accessible, and if you're skinny enough, you can squeeze by and get to the bathroom. You can also see that other slide is in, but the bathroom is still accessible. And then I forgot to mention this cool panel, of course. It has an app that you can use, and you can control kind of everything on there through your phone, which is kind of nice. All right, now, minus our stairs here, we are all closed up and ready for traveling. So I appreciate you guys viewing this video. If you have any questions, let me know what they are, either down in the comment section, or just like I said, shoot me an email, shoot me a text, let me know how I can help. I appreciate you guys viewing this video. Let's wait for that guy to drive by because that's super loud. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed.